Hey folks, here with another video for you. This one is about how to change the oil on your 2007 Pontiac G5. We're inside the engine. We already got the car jacked up in the air. We're just going to start by taking the oil filter cap off, and followed by the engine cover, which just pops off nicely. Then we're going to set it aside, and then we're going to go under the car. If you just give me 1 sec, I'll meet you under there. Alright, so we're here under the car. Here you have your transmission pan, and right here is your oil pan, and there's the bolt right there. Just gonna give you a quick look at it. Right there. So we're just gonna line up our bucket. We're gonna loosen it a bit first. Now that we have it loosened, pull our bucket in front, and by hand just loosen the bolt. And we're just going to let that drain for a while. Alright, while that's draining on the bottom here, we're going to go back up top and I'll show you how to take the filter out. Alright folks, so right down here, this is the oil filter, this is the oil filler. So we're just going to go ahead. I got a 32mm socket, and we're just going to pop it off gently. So be careful when you take it out because it's going to be fairly dripping with oil. That's what the old filter looks like, and all we're going to do is just pop it off like so. So next we're just going to take the cap here and we're going to wipe it all down nicely. And there's a little O-ring here. It's very hard to tell. We're just going to try and pop that off right along the top here. And you'll be able to see the other one a little more clearly because it's orange. So right here, this is the filter we're looking for. It's by Fram. It's CH9018. I'll put that in the description. We're just going to pop the box open. And first thing, there's the new O-ring that it comes with. And we're just going to put it back on. Just like that. And then we're going to take a little clean oil and we're going to rub our finger along it. Just off camera, I'm dipping my finger into the new oil that we're going to be putting in. We're going to set that aside. And underneath it's still dripping just a little bit, so we're just going to wait patiently. And we're going to wipe out in here just a little bit in the threads. You don't want to be knocking too much dirt in there, so now we're going to take our new filter here. That's what it looks like. and we're just going to pop it right into place. And just like that, it clicks, and we're good to go. We're just going to put this back in nice and gently. And we're going to tighten it back down with our 32mm. Just hand tight. That should be good to go. And we're going to take you back under the car and we're going to see how we're doing under there. Alright folks, so now that we're down to an ever so slight drip, we're just going to give it a little wipe. And we're going to put our drain plug back in. And we grab our torque wrench, set it to 18 foot-pounds of torque, and torque it on down. And it is, as you notice, very difficult to get under here because the car is so low, but we have it torqued down and we are ready to go and fill it up. I'll meet you at the top. Alright folks, so right here is our filler cap, so we're just going to go and fill our oil into there, and it is 5 liters rather. Alright, all that's left is to put our cap back on. And our cover, and we're good to go. Alright, we're just going to go in the car. I'm going to show you how to reset your readout on the dashboard. Alright folks, now we're here to change this message so it stops telling us to change our oil. So what we're going to do is cycle through on our menu button until you see the oil life, and just with the car not actually running, we're going to push the gas down 3 times to the floor, and then we're going to turn off. There we go, and it's at 100%, changed all by itself. So when we turn it off and back on, it is at 100%. And we're just going to run it after we did our oil change to make sure we're all good. Everything is all good. Alright, thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.